Yes, children, today we will discuss about the exercise 13.4, which is related to sphere. So you know that sphere is football type object where CSA of sphere is 4 pi r square, TSA also 4 pi r square, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And so in the question number 1, find the surface area of sphere of radius, different radius are given. So surface area TSA 4 pi r square we will apply. So no problem at all in question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 even. Now children get little bit problem in question number 7 as well as question number 9. So we will discuss question number 7 and question number 9. In question number 7, diameter of moon approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. So two things are given, that is moon and earth. Diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 diameter of the earth. Let diameter is equal to x. Therefore, diameter of moon is equal to x upon 4. Radius equal to half of x by 4, that will be x by 8, and here radius will be x by 2. Find the ratio of their surface area. Find out the surface area. Surface area is 4 pi, or directly you can put this thing, ratio of surface area. So surface area of moon upon surface area of earth, this is equal to 4 pi small r square, 4 pi capital R square, 4 pi cancel by 4 pi. So ratio will be r square upon capital R square. Small r square, that is x by 8 whole square upon x by 2 whole square. It will be x square upon 64 whole upon x square upon 4. So numerator x square upon 64 multiply reciprocal of denominator, x square cancel 1 16 ja 1 upon 16. So ratio will be 1:16. So ratio of their surface area will be 1:16. 1 represent to moon and 16 represent to earth. That will be the ratio. Now the question number 9. Question number 9. A sphere is there in a cylinder. Here is the sphere. And it is exactly fitted in a cylinder. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Its radius is r. Find surface area of the sphere. No problem. 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi rh. So radius will be of the cylinder same r. Now regarding the height will be, this is also r, this is also r, r, r. So the height of the cylinder will be 2r. So in figure, radius of sphere, that is r, radius of cylinder, that is also r, height of cylinder, that will be 2r. So first part, surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. Second part, CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi rh. Replace h by 2r, 2 pi r into 2r. So 2 to the 4 pi r into r square. So third part, ratio of area obtained in first and second. Ratio of area obtained in first and second is equal to first 4 pi r square, second that is also 4 pi r square. So cut it by 1 upon 1/1 will be the answer. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will discuss about exercise 13.5.